Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, let's open settings by pressing the gear button on the remote control. Open all settings. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet by going to Network and Internet menu. After that, we're gonna have to add a new account, a kid's account to this TV in order to set up parental controls. So let's go to Accounts and Sign In menu, and in Kids Account section, select Add a Kid. Then select Get Started. Then let's add a new kid, and then wait for a moment until this menu is initialized. In the following field, we're gonna have to enter the kid's first name. So let's say that the kid's first name is Alex. Okay, something just dropped me out, so give me another moment. Okay, so as I said, let's name the kid Alex and then press next to continue. Then provide the Alex's age. For example, let it be 10. Then press next once again to confirm. Then navigate to the bottom of this screen and check these two checkboxes you see right here to continue. After that, navigate to I agree and select this option. Then you'll be able to confirm your identity by receiving a code on your mobile phone and entering it on the following page, or you can select use another option. And sometimes you can also sign in with a password, but it seems to me that we're gonna have to use the SMS option. So let's select send, and then we're gonna have to enter the code that we received in the following field. Okay, so let's enter the code. And press next once again. And then wait for authentication process to complete. After that, we're gonna have to set a parental control PIN code by selecting next and then providing the PIN code. If you have an existing PIN code, you can use it by selecting the first option, but if you want to set a new one, then select the second one, and after that you're gonna have to use your D-pad to enter PIN code. So you can use up and down arrow keys to select one of the three available rows and use the D-pad keys to provide the respective numbers. If you want to erase a digit, press the return or back button on your remote control. So let me enter 1212 and then confirm the PIN code. After that, the PIN code will be created and applied. Then click next to select applications you want to install on your kid's account. You'll be presented with a list of the kids-friendly apps. You can select them. Then you can also select the applications that can be half restricted, so with enabled with parental guidance. For example, the Disney Plus or the Netflix or Prime Video, etc., or even web browser. All of these applications will be displayed on kids account. Once you are ready, select install and continue. Then let's also set up screen time by selecting this dial. Here we can select daily limit, click next, then we can select the days when the limit will be applied. So by default we have the work days selected from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday stay with no limit. But if you want to apply a limit to these days too, just select them, or you can unselect some particular days. Then click next to confirm. Then select the TV usage limit hours right here. Press OK to confirm. And schedule bedtime. Select next, then select the days when the bedtime applies. Click next to confirm, and select the bedtime, the beginning of the bedtime. At this time your TV will turn off automatically. And here we have to select the end of the bedtime. Okay, select looks good. Now let's also set up content restrictions. To do that, simply select movies and select rating for your allowed rating for a child. By default we have PG selected, so let's stay with it. And here you can also change the theme and profile picture for your child's account. Then select next to confirm, then next, done. Then let's go. And at this point the parental controls are set up on your TV, so now you can see your child's account in front of you with all the applications that are currently downloading. And if you want to switch to your account, or if your child wants to switch to your account, they're gonna have to navigate to the accounts logo in the top left corner of the screen, select OK, and then select your account and provide a PIN code to confirm. Or first you're gonna have to provide a PIN code, and once you provide a PIN code you'll be able to switch to the main account. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.